Okay, I've got a set of motors here, a flight controller and a frame kit of the Roma F5. Let's have a little look and see what we've got in the box, and hopefully I can show you. Okay, first of all we'll have a look at what we've got in these motors here. These are the 2207.5 1700 kV, so they'll be suited for the good success quadcopters, maybe a bit of long range, medium range if you're into that. Oh, I like these little bags they come in. Oh, here we go. So put that down, get a few bits and pieces in the bag. Slice her up. Man, that's blunt. I'm gonna have to get me a new knife, I think. Okay. Whoa, look at that. That is blingy. Nice. Oh, look at that cool shape. Mamba systems. TOKA. Cool. Got the little flap guard there, so when you put your screws in you can't go up into the windings. It's always good and handy to have, safe. Some nice cabling on it, feels nice and thick. What gauge that is. Hasn't got any writing on it, I can't see. But yeah, they're nice and long enough to get down your arms of your quadcopter, or nicely tucked into your FC ESC stack. Oh, they're awesome. Can't wait to put them on. Okay. Okay, next we're going to have a look at what's in this little box here. I haven't yet received one of these tins yet, but metal tin looks pretty cool. Be nice for keeping screws in later. A couple of stickers on the bottom. Then we slide the sleeve. Wow, that's a Mamba F5 DJI stack and an F50 4-in-1 ESC ready to rip. I'm gathering. We'll pop the box and have a nosy. This looks cool. Woo. Okay, you can see what's in the tin. Yourself a couple of dope Diatone stickers. Wow, cool little member card. And of course our wiring things for what we need to know about what we just got there. Oh wow, that's packed in. Look in that box. Those little gummies, spare cap, XT, and there she is, main flight control ESC stack. Very clean, very tidy. It's going to be fun. Pop that in my Roma. Coolio. On to the next bit. Okay, what have we got next in the box here? Let's have a look at this thing. Cool. Yeah, quite a tidy little package. We'll slide it out like we do. And yeah. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Cool. Instruction manual. The most important part when you're doing it is the instructions. As we know. Assembly guide. Now, that's a pretty detailed assembly guide there, if you really Need to know your parts right to the end. That's cool. Quite like it. Very handy. Right, there. Now what have we got? Oh, a couple of different size battery straps. Nice thick Diatone ones. That's good. And then we're on to the carbon fibre packaging. That's awesome. Guessing that's the bottom plate. That's the bottom plate. No, that's the top plate because it's got the camera mount. Then we got a couple of sets of nice arms here. 5-inch of course. And then we get another box lid. Take it out and I've got some more parts here. Battery grips. Wow, haven't seen any like that. 3M, good quality. Very nice and rubbery for battery grips. Nice GoPro mount again. It's always handy. Nice screw bag. Lots of screws and little washers and bits and bobs. The skid plates and armor pads for camera mounts and all the good things. Oh, there's the aluminium metal front for camera protection. PSC cable tubes, got arms so you don't get chopped motor wires anymore, which would be nice. And then a couple of good 3D prints here. Air unit will fit in there nicely. And it's for the GPS puck and crossfire in the bottom. So that's also awesome. And then must be some insulation plates. Very good. Alright, we can put this all down and we'll get that kit together and have a look what it looks like. And I'll be back in a minute. Oh, back again just after putting the frame kit together. Haven't taken it all the way to a full build yet, but you can see I've got it quite nicely together. Man, it's a sturdy frame, very solid. I'm going to be looking at adding some more parts to it soon this afternoon. Hopefully we can get it fired up. But so far the frame kit build's been going pretty good. And tight. Solid. Okay. We'll move on to the next step. Cheers. Evening. Wow. Here we go. This has been a long day's work today. Me and my friend Mike Morris building the Roma F5 gift from Diatone that Carl gave to me. This has been a really interesting build, something new that I haven't really had before. Managing to fit the air unit in there out of the frame kit box that came, and it was a tight fit getting everything in there with the crossfire, the cabling and the extra caps for the 6S. Other than that though, it was super fun and quite good to see how these new frames are built, and there's a lot to them, and it's not just quite, you know, straightforward like your old quads used to be. There's a bit of thinking and planning, and yeah, and like I said, it's taken me a day with my friend helping me to get this thing all up to just about nearly ready to test fly pretty soon. Of course I'll take the GoPro off when I do my first tests and stuff, but we've powered everything up already, we've got video, we've got motors running and everything's all good, and yeah, so all the nice soldering's been done, got it all looking nice, uniform. So yeah, I'll just give it a quick power up if you guys want to see. I'll do it down on the table because I've got hers with just one hand. And just to show that it has got life and she's alive, check out this crack. Pop. Yeah, she's ready. So all live in action in here. DJI's all locked in. Green is ready to go. So that'll be my next little look at it tomorrow. If we get some good weather, we'll have a fly. So thanks for having a look at this little video, and if you're interested in anything like this, just give us a message and let us know what you're up to. Cheers, thanks for having a look, bye.